Okay, let's create some terrain here. Right click here in this scene view hierarchy. We'll go 3D object and terrain right here. Okay, we'll zoom back out a little bit. It's created this nice big huge wasteland of winter, and this is going to be our battleground, but it's not complete yet. I'm going to zoom out here a little bit so we can kind of get the overall scope of it. What we want to do is create some mountains on this terrain. So how do we do that? Over here in the inspector window here, we've got all these buttons here we're going to go through. So if we click this button, we get all these paint brushes we can grab. Let's just grab this guy right here, and we can actually paint terrain. Pretty cool, huh? So I'm going to paint in some mountains, change the brush size right here, and just really get creative, have fun, create the mountains of your dreams. It's a magical place filled with hope and wonder. Alright, just like that. Okay, so we've got this terrain coming along here nicely. What we can do is hold shift and we can actually decrease the height of the terrain, so we can create holes in our terrain as well. So we don't have to just create mountains. Okay, so that's pretty cool stuff. Let's see here. I'm just gonna get a little bit crazy with it here. Okay, that's looking pretty sweet right there. Okay, we can move on and we can actually smooth the heights out. If we got one of these brushes over here, we could smooth everything down quite a bit. I don't mess with that very much. And then we can also put on a texture here. So in the next video, we're going to go ahead and put a texture on our map. I'll see you then.